In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony A6000 to smartphone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up and use your Sony A6000 and connect it to a smartphone. This will work for both iOS and Android, and in order to get this done, you will need to download a specific application. First, on the camera itself, go over to the network settings, and in here, you will find the option to send to smartphone. So to start this connection, choose send to smartphone. You will see select on this device and then select on smartphone. Choose the secondary option that you see available here. Once you select send to smartphone, you will see Wi-Fi standby, and now you have to connect to a network created by the camera. So if you go over to the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device, and as long as it is enabled, you will find the network. Usually, it will include the word direct at the start, and then it's going to finish with either 6000 or A6000. Once you see this network, just select it, and you will be able to connect to this network. And if prompted to input a password, it will appear on the screen of your A6000, so you can confirm the SSID, the password, and then the device name. So include this password if you are asked to. Now you will have to download the Sony Imaging Edge Mobile. This app is available for iOS and Android devices, and all that you have to do is download it and open it up. So as long as you connect it to the Wi-Fi network created by the camera, it will appear under the camera list. And with this done, you will now be able to manage a live feed. If you tap on the camera, you can see the imported images that you have downloaded from the camera's storage, and it is easy to use the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony A6000 to smartphone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.